Vancouver Island in my parents' kitchen, and I'm going to make blueberry pie. Everywhere I go, all the farmers markets, all over the streets, in the neighborhoods, the blueberries are exploding. And so what better place to bring them? The kitchen. I've got here a whole bunch of fresh picked blueberries. I'm going to add them to our Vitamix, and these guys are super high in antioxidants. I've been talking about the purple color in a few of my recent videos. Those are anthocyanins, which are high in antioxidants. So this blueberry pie is very simple. This is the topping. We're gonna have blueberries, a little bit of lemon, and a little bit of maple syrup. And the star of the dish is going to be those chia seeds. And let's add some vanilla. Okay, perfect. Blend those up really quickly, and the mucilaginous properties of the chia are going to provide like a jelly-like consistency. You may need to add a little bit of water, or not. Perfect, so we'll set that aside, and then we're going to make our base. Now this is a super simple raw cake base that you can make with any type of lemon cheesecake, salted caramel coffee cake, and it has 3 simple ingredients. Coconut flakes, we've got date pastes, or regular dates will do, and a nut or a seed. I've chosen pecans. You could also use walnuts. And now those 3 ingredients go into the food processor, and we'll add just a tiny little bit of salt as well. The salt will enhance the sweetness of the dish. Okay, super simple. This is your cake base. So you know it's ready when you can take it and you can squeeze it and it sticks together. So this one is pretty good, but I think I'm gonna let it go for a few more minutes. Okay, let's try now. Take out the blade so you don't cut yourself. And oh, perfect. It's absolutely sticking together just perfectly. So we take that and we press it into the bottom. So there we go. That took a while, but now we've got our base of the cake. So again, like I said, super quick, super easy, whole food ingredients, amazingly delicious and simple. Now we're gonna add our blueberry pudding mix, and we are going to put this on the top and fill these. And then we're gonna top them with fresh blueberries. So a nice good scoop.
Que vive la esperanza la mantiene. Respira, respira.
We'll just put it in the freezer for about an hour, and then they can pop out really easily, and we'll garnish them and serve them to the family. So it's been about an hour. We've got those blueberry chia pies in the freezer. Let's take them out and plate them. So this is a mini cheesecake pan. It's one of my favorite things. I use it for savory dishes. I use it for sweet dishes, and it's so easy because they have removable bottoms. So really, you just pop the pie out as simple as can be, and you remove that bottom, and then you've got your delicious blueberry pie.